Hello and welcome to the Big Basket channel. Who doesn't like saving money? Don't be surprised if I tell you that it's easier to save a lot of money with the waste we generate in our kitchen. If you wish to know how, then continue watching. Also, look out for a fun giveaway in the video and grab your chance to win exciting vouchers from Big Basket. Now quickly subscribe to the channel and let's begin. Eating fruits is surely enjoyable, especially the citrus ones like oranges. But if you think it's just the fruit that's delicious, hold on to that thought until I show you an even more interesting way to use the peel. Orange peel has a lot of flavor and aroma stored in them. So why throw this treasure into the trash? Just dry these peels in full sun for a day or two and use them in multiple ways. One could be to grind them and use the powder as a body scrub or as a homemade face pack. Or the other way is to make your DIY herbal tea. Herbal teas comes with some cost in the market. But here we just made ourselves an orange mint tea without spending a penny. Pour some hot water and let the dry orange peel release its aroma. Similarly, dry rose petals, mint leaves, lemon peels, etc. to save those flavors and to make your no-cost herbal teas. Herbs are quintessential in Indian cooking, especially coriander. But most of the time, we just work around the leaves of these corianders, not knowing what we usually throw is the real deal. The stems as well as the roots of coriander contains the maximum flavor. Just wash them thoroughly and use them in your regular cooking. When it comes to making chutney, I make sure I add those roots as they not only add taste and flavor but also bulk up the chutney. This means increasing the quantity without buying extra coriander. So now that you know, next time whenever you are making a chutney, make sure to add those precious roots and stems too. Using a lemon and throwing away those lemon peels is not a good idea because this lemon peel is your free cost cleaner. We have shown some great cleaning tips from lemon in our previous videos too, so make sure you watch them as well. I always use the leftover lemon and some salt to scrub my wooden chopping board. It cuts the grime and gives the board a nice fragrance. Not just wood, lemon also comes in handy to clean the iron cookware. I forgot to season this iron kadai before storing and even after a good wash, the rust isn't going. But no worries. Again, some salt and lemon peel will do its magic here. Warm the kadai and start scrubbing the iron with lemon and salt and all the rust will start disappearing. No more elbow grease, just repeat the process for tougher stains and in no time, you will get your sparkling cookware back. So now on, don't buy any fancy cleaners. Just save those lemon peels and you are good to go. The most common kitchen waste in every house is the vegetable peels. We cook multiple times a day and a lot of vegetable scraps get collected. But don't throw it away just like that. I store 2 days of scraps in the fridge and use them to make homemade vegetable broth. Wash the scraps thoroughly and boil them in some water. Vegetable peels contain a lot of minerals and vitamins, so why waste them? Boil for good 15 to 20 minutes and the broth will get ready without any extra effort. Let it cool down and store it in the fridge for up to 3 days. Use them in your dal, curries, soup, etc. only to make them more flavorful and nutritious. Summers are here and we all look out for some DIY home remedies for skin treatments. Nothing beats the cooling effect a cool cucumber can give. While eating it is a good idea, but saving those peel and cucumber ends is even beneficial in summers. I just grind them into a mixer and you have a pulp ready to use directly on your face. But I like to freeze it and use it as a toner to get rid of that summer tan. And now, as promised, here is the giveaway question. Tell me in the comments which fruit did I use to make my herbal tea. Right answers will get the chance to win exciting vouchers from Big Basket. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Big Basket channel as the basic eligibility to win. Now go ahead and write your answers in the comment section. Do like this video and share it with friends and family, and I'll see you in my next video very soon.